Good boy. Now you're going to go away? I guess I was looking at the framings too much of the... Try it one more time. Straight at me. Yep, go. So I'm going sideways. Okay, one more time. Sorry. Turn him the other way, maybe. Oh, that's okay. Just because he swings his butt away from me, and then I can't get him straight. If I did want to do the vet check, the pre-purchase, we could do it somewhere where the vet could run him around.